So what's up with y'all? I wasn't really gonna film any of this, but I'm gonna drop the transmission on the 4 cylinder and replace the flywheel. I got this used flywheel that I might be able to use. Well, I mean that I'm going to use in order to, start the car. Last video I made, I removed the interior on the car. And really, I was, going back and forth, about trying to fix this fucking car, just for the sake of passing emissions. And fuck it, I'm just gonna try to pass emissions on this car, because when I drop the 5.0, I'm probably not gonna be able to smog it unless I have cats and smog pump and all the O2 sensors and shit. Which I'm probably gonna have the fucking O2 sensors. I don't know about the cats. I might not have the cats. If I find maybe a H pipe with the cats, fuck it, I'll just throw it in there and try to see if I can later on in the future try to pass it. But the reason I'm gonna make this video is because I found a couple things in the car. One of them is really not that important. Found a little baby crack on the passenger. I'm sorry, on the driver, under the driver's seat. But what really caught me like by surprise was this motherfucker. Whoever fucking touched this car before me used about, what can I say, like an inch and a half, 2 inch blocks of fucking wood, like literally fucking wood, to as spacers for the what do you call the transmission mount. I forgot what the name for it, but I'm gonna show you that right now. I'm gonna keep it Honda with you guys. This is Ghetto Rig Customs, but bro, whoever did this shit, them niggas is the real deal fucking Ghetto Rig family, man. What the fuck is that? I guess if it works. I mean, I don't know how much this car ran, with them blocks of wood, but that's some shit, man. This is the first time that I, crawl into the car, and that's a first. That's a first for me. I would never try that, but damn. I'm probably not gonna film too much. I highly doubt I'm gonna do anything. I'm just gonna try to drop the transmission right now, and I think that's all I'm gonna be able to do. Just drop the transmission, and that's it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do anything else. Highly doubt I'm gonna be able to do anything else, because right now I'm gonna end up going to. I'm getting ready to go to LS Fest down in Vegas. Today is May the 3rd. I'm gonna be there tomorrow, and get some of that footage going out there. All right, giving y'all a little update. About to drop this bitch. It's already off. Took it off the bell housing. Got the drive shaft out of the way. Speedo sensor. Reverse. This motherfucker's out. I mean, that's pretty much all she wrote. Just giving you a little update. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see if how hard it is to get them bolts that are up there that connect to the motor. I'm doing this. I mean, it took me about an hour to do this. Yeah. I mean, usually if you're doing this to your car and you have the interior and shit, I mean, that's one of the things gonna take you longer, man, because you got to take the entire center console, and in order for you to get to that boot. Or actually, you know what? I think you get away with taking off just the plastic tray that covers, you know, the one that has the boot, the shifter boot, and you might be able to get to these two bolts, because you gotta take them off. You gotta take them off before you can drop the engine. Otherwise, I mean the transmission. Otherwise, you ain't gonna be able to drop it, because this is gonna be in the way. Notice how it's curved. It's gonna end up hitting on the two sides over there, so it ain't never gonna be able to get it out. But yeah, man, that's just my little update. I'm just gonna, oh yeah, in case you guys are wondering, I got this bitch on, you know, 4 wheels. I got a nice little gap in between the floor and the car, so I could get in and out easy. Man, this is one of the best things. This is one of the easiest transmissions removal that I ever had, because usually I have it on jack stands and I try to pull it out. If anybody does these cars, if you try to take off the engine with the transmission, if you try to take off the transmission with the bell housing, it's a bitch, because especially well, I never tried on these, but I mean, you got to get in there, and there's a couple. It don't look like it's too terrible out here, but on the 5.0s, I used to hate that shit. But yeah, man, this is we'll see how hard it is for me to get to the bell housing from the bottom. It shouldn't be too bad, so we'll see right now. All right, now this is the reason why I'm changing this flywheel. I don't know if you guys can see this clearly, but you know, that's, yeah, them two right there. That's lightweight what it's supposed to look like, but damn, look at this. And look, as soon as I pulled out that bell housing, that's all the teeth on the flywheel. This motherfucker is done, cuz. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to see if I can pull this off right now. Slap on the new one, and I don't know, I might try to put the bell housing back in there, and I'll save the transmission for another day. That way, I mean, I'm halfway done. I got half the work done already, so I mean, it ain't that big of a deal no more. But yeah, this is the whole reason why I'm trying to change this fucking flywheel. I know it's pretty much meaningless to you know, to swap the flywheel on this car, but I'm really just trying to smog this car, and whatchamacallit, and I can't turn on the car like sitting still. I gotta push it, and I ain't trying to you know, do the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up my flywheel right now. What the fuck? I lifted the car. I'm gonna go pick that bitch up real quick. Where my keys at? Come on, cut. Blam blam. See that? Ain't no way the other one was gonna catch on the starter. Matter of fact, let me check that bitch out real quick. One time. What the fuck is it? I'll check it out right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just do this right quick and call it a day, cause I gotta go. I gotta skedaddle right here one time. All right, man. When I want to go pick this flywheel, he offered me a clutch, and now I feel hella fucking stupid, man. Real talk, man. Fuck. Look at it. I know. I said I'm not gonna use this motor, you know, for too long, but come on, bruh. I fucked up big time. Look at this, man. This is fucked. Ah, man. This ain't even usable, man. This was stupid gone, man. I'm hella mad I didn't get that nigga shit. Fuck. But yeah, man. I think I'm gonna just send it. I guess I could just call this a little more motivation just to get rid of this engine so I can drop that 5.0 in this bitch. But yeah. Yep, that's it. Just wanted to fucking wanted to rant about, you know, I fucked up. Come on, bro. Fuck. Bro, stop the shit, bro. Fuck. Peep game.
Is this SS Martin? Is that there we go, come on.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.